Okay, so welcome to the last part of this episode, and we are looking at the gradient of a straight line. So what does gradient mean? So gradient is either it's just the slopeness, okay, or rather the steepness of a particular line. Because when you look at maybe you're going this direction, and you can have how maybe in terms of a slope, okay, is it less slope or high slope, or just like that, okay. So the gradient is just how slope the line is, and this is the formula that you use in finding the gradient, and they have given you 2 points. And this is an example that you're going to see use and see how you can be able to come up with the gradient of this line, or rather these 2 points that are joining together. So in this case, what you always do is that you label them x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, after you label them, then you can say the gradient is, you always start with y2, okay? And then on top, at the bottom, you have the x coordinate, okay? So if I say y2 minus y1, this is the order that is going to follow even at the bottom for the x. So x2 minus x1. Or the other way you can do this is by saying that m is equal to, you can start with y1 minus y2. Now, if I start with y1 and end with y2 on top, that is also the pattern, or that is the same procedure I'm going to use even for the x which is on the bottom. So it is going to be x1 minus x2. And just make sure that you properly arrange them in that way. Otherwise, any misarrangement is going to cause you trouble. You are going to fail this question terribly. And now let us finally answer the question. Let's find the gradient. Okay. Okay, so in this case, you're going to have now our actual gradient, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So this is now going to be, our y2 is 11. So 11 minus our y1 is 3 over our x2 is 6 minus our x1 is 2. Okay. And this now is going to be, this will be 8, and then this one is going to be 4. Okay. And then once you divide this into that, you're just going to get 2. Okay. And that's how you find the gradient of any given 2 points. And this is how you can go about. So I believe and hope that you're going to find something very meaningful in these videos that you're watching. And if you need any help in terms of online learning, you can simply join us by just following the number that is passing on the screen. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, support us wherever you're watching from, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, on any other platform. Just perform any of those actions, like, subscribe, share, and comment. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.